Hey everyone, this is Alien Crypto, and for today we will be looking at Bitcoin pairs or Bitcoin swaps, whatever one will call it. And I am actually holding a couple of altcoins which I always want to hold, but I also want to expose myself to other altcoins that might be pumping. So my strategy was to get some profits off of Bitcoin, not to USDC or US coins, anything like that. I just skip it. I just go on to actually just moving my profits to the altcoins that have, of course, a BTC swap or a BTC pair. And that has been working so far. Um, I'm holding on to Bitcoin. I do have a little bit of fiat, very, very small though, and that's all I need. For those situations where Bitcoin's gonna really dip, I do take some of my Bitcoin off, put that to fiat or USDC coin, depends. But I rather swap it to Chainlink or Ethereum, sometimes Polkadot. Um, it doesn't matter which one at any given rule. It's really dependent on which altcoin is already experiencing that trace or retrace, and that's where I put my money or my profits, because it's a matter of time that that altcoin will boom. And that is what I am trying to do with some of these alts. Okay, BNT, Zcash, Ren, Aave, XML, Compound. Right? These are the altcoins that I am looking at and looking for that moment to actually swap it. Okay, not for the faint of heart because it's been, I think I'm more 60/40. But so, since I'm holding Bitcoin, it doesn't really matter. Um, anyways, the most important thing for us today is just looking at my Bitcoin pairs. Okay. Okay, so my Bitcoin pairs, looking at my Bitcoin pairs here. So as you can see, altcoins, this is for my Coinbase account. Altcoins are really bleeding at, at this moment. Okay. And that's because everyone's looking at Bitcoin. See, it's, oh, I rather not use this because it's, okay, Larry Jones, I'll look into you later. Okay. Pardon the messy lines here, but as you can see, Bitcoin's ready to explode. Um, we have not reached 50K, but this pattern right here, it's really catching up. The EMA 20. You know what? I should be using 21, not 20. Let me fix that right here. Um, why? Because the moon said so. Okay. All right. So this is, I would say, a more accurate representation, at least for Bitcoin. So here it is. Now going back to this, as you can see, the MACD, this thing here, they're trying to kiss. This one, RSI, still have room to grow. Um, Nothing in particular that jumps out as buy right now, but maybe it is. it is time to move some of my altcoin funds to Bitcoin, because if this does go up, it will. I saw one video. I haven't really done a deep analysis here, but if we do that, uh, okay, this is kind of getting hard. Let me see. Okay, let me zoom out to 1 day. Okay. All right. From this swing high, well, what makes sense? So this kind of makes sense to me. Okay. And also this makes sense to me. Worst case, right? Worst case. Best case, worst case. Realistically, um, we gotta open the Fibonacci here. But that's not the point of this video. Point of this video is it time to move some of my alt funds to Bitcoin as it's ready to explode? So I think so, and I'm just waiting for that confirmation, because moving altcoins around is pretty scary, at least for me. Um, there should be buying opportunities. So here, the daily chart shows a little bit of, what do you call this? A momentum change. So pretty strong. RSI is right here. The 4-hour tells a different story, but daily charts are very important. So most likely this might be rejected again and we might be trading sideways. So I don't want to move to and leave or release my positions in my outs, although they're bleeding right now. And that's the thing. If it's going down, don't sell, okay? Because it's a matter of time. It's just going to go up. Given that we've seen the pattern this market run, that whenever Bitcoin trades sideways, altcoins, get all worked up. So that's my story for Bitcoin. Now let's look at REP, which is anger, augur, whatever. I don't even know how to say it. It's because I don't really follow this coin, but it really pumped. As you can see here, this ascending channel has been the guide since this pivotal point here, where, when was this? The dominance of Bitcoin has started to reduce against, okay, this coin here against Bitcoin. See, this was a perfect buying opportunity, and simple wavy structure here, but it did break out. It tried breaking out here and tried again, and then it was very successful the third time around. This is, well, I would say this was the first time, got rejected, second time got rejected, third time got rejected, fourth time. So buying opportunities for rep was actually here. Now, will this trend line or channel persist? I'm hoping so, because it makes it a lot easier for me to say, all right, if this is all just going sideways, um, I may just have an opportunity just to buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, take profits, whatever. But, you know, is it worth it? Well, if we look at the distance from here to here, right, that's a 53% gain. So trading rep might not be a bad idea, as long as it does go, just play around in this Let me draw that. The path. You know, it's right here. Maybe it will just go back here, test it again, go down, and then maybe, who knows, right? Okay, something like that. Oh, it's you know, this tablet is really awesome. I really like it. The pen. This is Samsung S6 Lite. Do I need to upgrade? No, this is enough for me. I like it. Not too expensive and not cheap looking or cheap feeling. If you wanna, if you wanna get this, everyone has it, and also cheap. Anyway, going back to this, I do think I'm not touching this for now, right? I haven't looked at it in detail, but just looking at the patterns, the chart, the momentum. So as you can see in the 4 to 5 minute, this is going down. Probably testing this the 21 close EMA, and if it does, then I think that's a buying opportunity because it may just trade sideways here and form a new trend line or a new channel, which maybe. But if you can see here, it it just it's for a long time. It just traded here, this channel here. Okay. All right. When do we buy? When do we swap? Um, I currently don't have this. So if this actually goes up, what is the target? Well, to be safe, I would say the target, looking at this chart here, let me, okay, from the swing high, swing low, fib retracement. You know what? Let's from the swing high to the swing low. If this pumps, we're looking at a target of somewhere here. Okay, there we go. Could this be the next target, or will it just, you know, float around this level? We shall see. But it looks like it's going down. Okay, once this crosses over, then you know it's going to go down, right? So if you had this before, you should have sold when it hit that level. Okay, but now we know it's just a matter of time. Okay, all right, let's go on to fill. Okay, this one pumped. I had this coin, sold it. I have a little bit, but it's just too little to see some gains. So this is peaking right now, meaning all it will do is just probably meet up with the 21 moving exponential moving average. I gotta remember that. Okay. So when is a buying opportunity? Um, well, for me, anything close to this area of value, which is always um, okay. So we shall see when this will meet. Okay, we'll wait for that and make a decision. Look at the charts by then and see the momentum and look at other indicators. There's just so many ways to analyze this. Look at things differently by using different indicators. The Williams indicator, right? So this one's still moving up. Potentially, it just continues going up, but we have to wait, right? We gotta see other indicators or just price action. Look at this. This is just going down. Okay. doesn't make sense to buy right now because it will probably go down a little bit more. Um, but this is a 45. Let's look at the 1 hour. Not much different. Look at other. Okay, swing trading. Okay, this indicator here is kind of trying to still learn, but kind of kludgy. Okay, so Fibonacci daily. Okay, so as you can see, previous resistance here. Okay, might break it, might not. So if this goes over, then potentially a buy. Okay, so if you're thinking, should I just put my money in Bitcoin versus Filecoin? Of course, you want to do it at the right time. Always choose Bitcoin. We're just looking for, hey, if I had fail and it's going down against Bitcoin, then I have to move it to Bitcoin. If it's going on this trajectory up, keep it there, right? And if you really like Filecoin, then go ahead, put more money there. But I'd rather just buy Bitcoin against this. Okay, BTC. Okay, but look at this. Everything is bleeding. So OMG. Let's look at this. OMG. Oh my goodness. All right. So where is this going? Well, this whole thing here, this parallel channel, perfect opportunities, top, bottom, right? See that trend is going up. Now it's going down. Uh, Testing this support here. So again, when Bitcoin pumps, everything just goes down, right? So let's watch. Let's just watch and see in the next couple of hours. This is again a 1 hour chart. Should, am I playing OMG? No, I don't. I'm not currently trading this. But if you are interested, just looking at where this could go, it's in a downtrend. Okay, so if you're holding OMG, yeah, more likely it's gonna retest this level. So it's on its way down. So I rather you, unless again this becomes something like a reversal right here. Okay. Now is this a reversal? Looks like it. It may be well on its way up. Okay. And then probably revisit this. Goes up again. Or it may be going down like here, test it, bounces off, and then maybe that. We don't know, right? Or will it create a new trend but way down? Where do we say this will go? I don't really know. All I can say is if we look at the other indicators, all right, so it seems to be on a reversal right now. Okay, this one is the first sign that it might be reversing. This is the second one, the third one. Let's wait. But it does seem like, in the micro level, OMG, this is what I hate about this. Okay, it doesn't automatically switch to just a selector. Okay, so what happens here? Um, Look at this. I should have okay, there's a trend within a trend, which is normal. Okay, guys, it's always normal. It's an ascending wedge. And what does ascending wedge mean? It means it's bearish, right? So, will I touch this? So this might go up. This might actually be a reversal, kind of like here, here, and here. Let me move this. This is a reversal right here. This one. So yeah, this might be good, guys. This might be an opportunity. Um, but again, it's just me looking at the charts. I don't know what the hell I'm doing here. Just looking for patterns. So this is an ascending wedge within a macro ascending parallel channel. So is it worth the risk? Maybe. But what are the gains here? So if this is a reversal pattern that we are confirming, I want to know if this tests. Okay, that's a 20%. Okay, that's 20%. Do you want a 20% increase or more? We will compare. Okay, it's not because this is going up or this might be a reversal. We need to confirm in the next few hours if this is actually going to reverse. But I think this is a buying opportunity right now. If you want to have a position and take advantage of OMG's runs like it has been happening. So if you see altcoins started to picking up, or at least for OMG, the trend started to change. It was all going down. Well, it has been going up actually. So when did it start? Let me go back to the. Let me go to the weekly. Where is it? Okay, weekly charts for altcoins. Crazy. All right. So, wow. If you look into this, we we have the potential. If OMG pumps again, the potential of earning more in OMG if this happens. Okay, so look at this. It's now going up. This could be the reversal pattern here, right? This might be a good sign. Oh, sorry, that's a month. Here's a week. Okay. All right. So as you can see, this is the bottom. This is the bottom of the barrel, guys. This is the bottom of the barrel. Right here. That's the bottom. And now we're seeing it go up. Now, would that be the story for OMG, BTC? I don't know. We'll see. But that is OMG. Okay. What time is it? Okay. Now let's look at the graph. Okay. So the graph is okay. It had its run. Obviously, the 4-hour chart shows that. So whenever the alligator starts opening up and crosses this point here, expect good things. Now it's the crossing that again, so this is going down. Okay, so this might just go sideways, but I don't know. It is going down. This might be just a dead cat bounce. So I looked at it here, so so this might go back here, right? Or again, will it just go sideways? I don't mind. I'm not holding this, by the way. I should have, but no. So if you look at this chart here, where will it go? Let me. Hey, what happened? Okay, let's look at algo. Okay, similar to the graph. Well, I swapped things around, by the way, right here. But this is actually a good buying opportunity for algo, and you sell it here. Just testing here. So it seems to be still in a downward. It's still in a downward trend, but it tested here, right? So going back to the 21, moving. Well, this was 20. Okay. So it touched again the moving average, which is great. We always want to trade near here. Now, is algo um, going up or going down against Bitcoin? Right as the 4-hour chart says, it's going up now. Now let's look at this template here, see what it says. Okay, okay. We did a triangle back then here. So as we saw, the daily chart. So algo BTC, 45 minutes. Okay, man, I really wish they have this functionality, like quick friendly view, because I have to do this all the time every time I shift. Oh, god darn. Okay, move, 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 move. Zoom in. Hey, what the heck? Zoom out. What is going on? I don't understand what's happening here. Okay. All right, Algo BTC. Okay, this is going up. As you can see here, momentum is going up. The crossover. All right, that was perfect buy. It's probably now to go. Good time to get more algo, right? So this is Algorand getting higher, guys. So if you want to, um, where did I clone that again? Clone, but but where are you? Darn it! I'll just make this. Oh, there you go. Darn, I didn't see you. Oh, oh man, this is stupid. Anyways, haha, funny. Hey tablet, please work. Okay, so this, my friend, if you have cash, okay, this is a good sign. Algo is just on its way up. So if you want to hold algo, it will outperform Bitcoin at certain spots. Okay, so that's the trick here. Now, if we are to trade this, I will be buying in. That's a 39%. Okay, that's close to 39%. If this swings up, if this is what we call, okay, if algo respects this parallel channel, okay, then we will be seeing a potentially, again, I'm just making things up, guys. I'm just playing around with this, and hopefully it works, because this is where I base my decisions. So if it's flawed, then I won't have the same gains that I just want, just keeping Bitcoin. But if this is it, I think it's good to have some algo. Okay, maybe good to have some algo at this time. I don't think it will go down based on the 45 minute, which this is a trick here. Which time frame shows confluence, right? So the 45 minute and the 4 hours, right? And the 5 minute, all saying the same thing, which for me is an indicator that, okay, well, we're losing steam here at 5 minutes. So this might go back again, go back down. But this area here was perfect. If you guys got this at this time here, which is Feb 14 today at 1500 hours. This is UTC, by the way. Well, you're already up. Okay, you're already up. Will it go down? No, I do think that this is just going to go up. Algo will outperform Bitcoin in the short term, very short term. Okay, if it doesn't, well, at least you have Algo, and you'll be exposed to the next pump because I believe Algo is going to pump again, like it did. So 38% is always good, right? 38%, any percent up is always good. So that's Algo. I don't have this. I have Zcash. Okay, Zcash has bled. Again, um, man, this was a good selling opportunity right here. I did not sell. I'm more of a holder. That's why I buy the dips, hold it. You know, I always buy the dips. So Zcash, is Zcash worth holding? Well, in some cases yes, some cases no. It has been outperforming, or it's on an uptrend against Bitcoin. It now, okay, broke that uptrend. Now it may be due for another upside, but not until this is broken. There is a downward trend right now, so I think you're better off holding Bitcoin for now. Okay? Okay, Benjamin Cohen. Watch later. All right. Now let's go to XLM. Okay, I'm holding XLM. It doesn't look well. Again, um, will it be respecting this trend line? Let me go back to my 4 hours. Oh, this is crazy. Okay, so as predicted, man, I don't like saying that. I don't like YouTubers saying as predicted. Yes, you can always say that because you always look at two sides of the coin, upside and downside. So it's either, and if you call both, right? You predicted both, but where did you put your money? Did it go down? Did it go up? But they always say that as predicted. You can't predict everything. You just have probability of that happening higher than the rest. So this one is retesting. This one has gone down again. So is XLM a good hold? At this time, since it's broke out, looking at long term, but XLM, I don't want to keep my hopes up with XLM. I know there's a good story there, but man, whenever XLM pumps, uh, it dumps. And that's what I hate about this coin. Just people, I don't know who the holders if they're really are serious, okay? So what am I doing here? But here, this is I think this is the all-time high for XLM from a Bitcoin. No, it's not. Okay, look at that, right? Look at the history. So we are trading in this box here, this big box. Then let me use a box drawing tool or rectangle drawing tool. If you look at this, guys, it just keeps on just playing around here, right? This thing, okay? And now going to the hourly chart. Okay, what is happening? Okay, what the hourly chart says, it's XLM is now going up. Okay, crossed here. Okay, should you be getting XLM? Well, I'm not selling my XLM right now. I'm waiting. I'm gonna exit my trade when it hits all-time high or here again. So I am keeping it until that time because it looks promising actually. The 1 hour shows this. And let me see the 4 hour chart. Well, it's still going down. Well, momentum. But look at this, right? It's starting to taper off. The angle of attack is trying to slope down. Well, it's sloping down, but the angle is getting much flatter, which is good. It's a sign, and this one is still going down. The red one. What happens is that trigger crosses again. This will probably hit. Uh, Again, this will curve up, and we might be seeing another one. So this is actually a good hold. Okay, I've been holding it since here. Okay, so technically I am up 21%. Okay. Now, if that happens again, that's another 17%, making it a total of 41% since I got it, right? So a 41% upside for XLM short term is always good. Do I buy it back? I'll buy it back again when it goes lower. But it's all about timing, guys. So am I holding this? Yes, we'll see, of course, because I wanna have a stop loss somewhere here. So at least if it goes down, I have made around 12%, okay, which is good. But yes, I'm waiting for it to go here, okay, and then I will sell. So that's a total of oh yeah, almost 40% up, okay. So that's XLM. Did I look at REN? Okay, REN. I'm holding REN, and look at this again. Looks promising. If you have REN, keep it. It's probably going to pump with Bitcoin. Now, if Bitcoin pumps like tremendously, I don't know, but I will have a stop loss here. But if it does hold up and it goes higher again, okay, this is crazy. It's 50%. 50%, guys. It's 50%. So 50% versus, okay, so XLM 30%, REN 50%. Where do you put your money? Put it on REN. So that has a higher upside, but opposite, things can turn sideways. Okay, this is wrong. So from from this to this. Okay, 62%. So what do we do? Well, if you want to trade this, go ahead. I already have Ren. I bought Ren somewhere here, and I should have sold somewhere here, but I did not. I'm planning to just hold on to Ren. Now, this could be a selling opportunity in a matter of a couple of days. Okay, we'll see. But I think this is an opportunity for us to get some Ren because it's looking promising. Okay, it is looking promising. Okay, what else? Uh, okay, already have this. This is also looking promising. This this channel here has been the starting point of the uptrend between compound and bit against Bitcoin, and it has been going up. So if you're holding compound, it will just fluctuate, up and down here. Um, Now those peaks, I say, yeah, we better be ready for those peaks because if it does happen, I want you to sell. Okay. So this will be your price target. Since it already happened, has been established. There's no price discovery here anymore. So what's going to happen is most likely, if we want to hold on to this, it may just bounce here, which is a 19% if you want it. But I'm holding on to compound. And if it reaches this level again, okay, if this just bounces in this channel, two things or three things that could happen. Three things that could happen. Number one, it just trades sideways. Okay. It actually trades up and follows this trend, or it does this, something like that. Okay. Or that's the beauty about trading. I mean, you you never know what's going to happen. You can only speculate. You can only think if your drawings are representing, yep, could that happen? Could this happen? It's all possible, guys. It's all possible. So just wait for confirmation. I'm holding it, so it doesn't matter for me. Will I let go? I probably will not. Okay, if it goes lower here, I don't care because I bought it somewhere. I bought compound somewhere very low, so it just makes sense for me just to hold it. Now, if there's an opportunity to sell, and the chart shows, hey, it's gonna be there's another retracement, kind of like this. Honestly, I should have sold it, but I wasn't paying attention. Next time, I'll be better. Okay, so that's compound. So what are we going to do with compound? Well, it's up to you, but for me, I'm just going to hold on to compound, and if it does reach this level again, yeah, I'm buying Bitcoin. Okay, I'm buying Bitcoin. I'm moving everything back to Bitcoin because this is really good. Once it's gonna retrace. I'm sure it's not gonna just go up. At this rate, it's just gonna bounce. Keep holding it, makes sense. And we'll see. Definitely, you can't. the altcoins are moving. They're just experiencing a minor pullback because it's Bitcoin's time now. But Compound, I think it's a good hold. Um, if Bitcoin pumps, then we might see this go down. Okay, so it's really up to you. It may it may go down, guys. It may go down. All right. Okay. This I don't have. Well, this one I have a little bit. What am I going to do here? Okay, these outs have pulled back. Okay, so don't sell your outs right now for Bitcoin. Not at this time, because this one is actually looking pretty good. Okay, this might be an uptrend. This is going to be another one of those channels where if the coin actually respects the channel, then but this is also good because there's a Fibonacci right here. So more likely is gonna just trend up. So if you have, again, if you want to have this in your portfolio, or if you want to trade this is a good opportunity right now, assuming that it's gonna, and this has an upside of 33, 34%. Okay, so not bad. I think this is a good sign that it's going up. So that's synthetics right there, my friend. Synthetics. Now let me make sure. Put a flag there. Okay. Litecoin. Okay, we know Litecoin is still compared to Bitcoin. You know, it's not there yet. Okay. Um, I have some Litecoin. I'm just holding on to it. I won't trade, but okay. So from if it goes down here, let's just follow me, guys. Just let's just see if this respects that channel and it's just going straight sideways. That could be, a 36. So if you bought here, you sold here, bought here, you sold here. I mean, guys, this is what trading is all about. Looking at charts like this. See if you bought here, converted your Bitcoin to Litecoin here, went up, converted to Bitcoin. So that Bitcoin that you put into Litecoin in that time frame, which is what 194 bars. Okay, that's a long time. Oh, top trigger set to explode. Game's coming. Okay, I want to watch that. Okay. All right. So, what's the likelihood if this goes up again? That's a 10%. Okay, I'm good. I might convert some of it. 10% is good. But reality, Litecoin's gonna go down, so maybe I will convert back. But this is again something that we have to confirm. So it already confirmed right now. Now, looking at the MACD, can you move over, alien? Can you move over? Okay. All right, already crossed, so it's gonna go down now. But you can see, why is it going up? The momentum going down. Okay, so more likely this is gonna do a little bit of this and then pump again. Okay, so I would be holding this and probably will look at selling half at 12, keep the other half, and then sell again And if it goes down, I'll buy that half again. And then if not, I'll just wait to buy another opportunity. So it's always 50-50, okay? If you got in with $100, when it reaches your target, take half off or 75 off, leave the 25% or leave the 50 off if you think well, it is an uptrend, so keep it there. So Litecoin is yet to break this downtrend as far as the Bitcoin evaluation is. Um, that's it for Litecoin. LRC. Okay, I love this coin. This coin has been relatively performing well against Bitcoin. Okay, it's an uptrend, loop ring, right? Again, it went down. I had this. I don't know when I bought this. Anyway, it was weeks ago. So it's now going up. Okay, on a trajectory. So if you have LRC, hold on to it. Um, if Bitcoin pumps and leaves LRC, you're going to see this go down. So therefore, I have a stop loss here. Okay, you can have a stop loss. So as Bitcoin pumps, move it back. That's all this means. Okay, respecting the trend line is always good, but you will never know if the coin will. So right now, LRC is on its way up. Loop ring, woohoo. Okay, but Ave, Ave, Ave. All right, Ave is a different story. This is trending down. Now, what we want to do, or what we want to see here, is a change. Okay, am I holding Ave? Yes, I am. Again, I don't really want to sell my coins. I just buy and hold, and really just look for unique selling opportunities, which I've done already with algo. I sold my algo when it went before it went down. I didn't maximize it, but it's fine. So what do we want to see here? What we want to see here is this breaking. Okay. Well, what's likely going to happen? Um, what's likely going to happen is this. Okay, this is a very strong area of resistance and support. Okay, as you can see here, this rectangle here. Okay, it may be bouncing or it may just go down. We will find out. But look at this for it seems to be going up now. Okay, so be prepared. Once Ave, if Bitcoin goes down, okay, or Ave goes up with Bitcoin, that's not a bad idea. That's not a bad scenario. But this might be the reversal that I've been waiting for, because it did reverse here, but it got rejected. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this downtrend, but it has never revisited the lower trend here. This is one, two, only three. Okay, support's holding up, but it broke support. Now in the second level of the support, it we need one more candle. One more candle, guys. One more candle to confirm if this is going up. If it does, then hold it. If it doesn't, well, we have to watch out for this line here and see if we want to switch it back because Bitcoin's going to pump, right? New cipher. I like this also. As you can see, it's down, respecting the trend line. Well, it's probably still going down, but it will also go up. So again, the altcoins are experiencing a little retracement, but technically everything, well, everything that I'm following right now, except for Aave, is going down. Okay, this one, I haven't really looked into this deeply, but I did make some. But look at these wicks right here, guys. I mean, I should just have a stop loss here or take profit right here. But another one of those things, I think this is gonna taper off and just go up again. Not today, but maybe. Okay, this, guys, this is gonna be big. This is gonna be ready to explode. Look at this. This is Feb 8, 9 to 15. Okay, that's 6 days, guys. 6 days. This is ready. So I, man, my story with this coin here is crazy. Lost big, I won big. I want to win again, so I'm holding on to this right now, my coin. And if it does break, the all-time, I think this is all-time high. But if it's not, I don't care. But if it hits the Fibonacci here, I'm gonna buy back. Get some of my. I think I bought this at 30, not 25. I bought it 7, then 14, I think 20. So this could be a good story right here. Band. I don't have band, but okay. Seems to be gaining momentum back. I wouldn't trade this right now. It's just, I don't know. The risk here is higher, okay, in my opinion, because if you have another trend line here, let me. This is an ascending. This is a ascending wedge right here, but in the daily, you can see that this might be a crazy triangle here. So there is this resistance here, but also, sorry about that, guys. But also there is this trend, the support coming. Support, resistance, wedge. Okay, what's more likely to happen? Kind of like this. There's another hidden support here. So this might more likely will go down unless this support, there's another line. Okay, look at this. It already bounced here. Now it's, sorry about this, guys, but just bear with me. Playing around with the charts. So it's gonna probably bounce here, touch the EMA 20. Okay, play around here. So here's my predicted path. And we'll see in the next few days. Okay, so test, go up, down, up, down, up. Okay, I don't know how to use this, but it might be something like that, right? Uh, delete that again. Okay, so it might be something like that. Okay, this is what I hope is gonna happen. Maybe retest this, maybe go down here, and that. Yeah. Okay, this might be the reversal. This might be the reversal. Okay, guys, I think that's all for now. I did a lot, looked at a lot, so maybe one more thing. Okay, this Wi-Fi, you're in finance, not Wi-Fi. Oh, goodness gracious, here we go again. All right, my friends, my friends, my friends. What is happening here? What is happening here? Oh, okay. So there's this box here, if you can see. There's a resistance here.